If you're a photography enthusiast or a professional always on the hunt for the perfect camera, you've likely heard of Leica and their reputation for crafting cameras that blend tradition with innovation. And now, rumors about the upcoming Leica Q4 have got everyone talking. Could this be the next game changer in the world of compact cameras? It's not just a potential upgrade, it's a leap forward that could redefine what we expect from a compact full-frame shooter. In this video, let's dive deep into what could make the Leica Q4 the ultimate compact camera, and whether it can live up to the hype. Since the debut of the Leica Q series back in 2015, the brand has continually pushed boundaries, offering compact cameras that deliver the signature Leica image quality. The Leica Q was a groundbreaking release, offering a 28mm f1.7 lens paired with a full-frame sensor and a sleek minimalist body. It quickly became a favorite among street photographers for its portability and performance. The Leica Q2 followed in 2019, featuring an impressive 47.3 megapixel sensor and improved autofocus. It cemented the Q series as a serious contender for professionals seeking top-tier quality without the bulk of interchangeable lenses. Fast forward to 2023, and we saw the Leica Q3, a model that introduced a new processor, a tilting touchscreen, and refined ergonomics. This updated model stayed true to Leica's commitment to subtle yet meaningful improvements rather than bombarding the market with yearly updates. Now, with Leica Q4 on the horizon, the question is, what will this new model bring to the table? That would justify a 4-year wait since the Q3? According to several leaks and industry whispers, the Leica Q4 isn't just going to be another minor upgrade. The Q4 could be the ultimate hybrid compact camera, combining Leica's legacy of craftsmanship with the latest technology. This new model might address many of the long-standing limitations of its predecessors, making it the most capable Q series camera to date. At the core of the Leica Q4 could be a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, the same one found in the M11. However, Leica isn't likely to just copy the M11 sensor. Instead, they may fine-tune it specifically for the Q series to enhance its dynamic range and low-light performance. These upgrades would address one of the biggest criticisms of previous Q models, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. The improved ISO performance would allow for clearer, more detailed shots in dark environments, which is crucial for street photographers who often work in varied light conditions. Behind the new sensor, the Leica Q4 would likely feature the latest iteration of Leica's Maestro image processor. This would not only help manage the large 50 MP+ image files, but also enhance the burst shooting speed, power advanced autofocus algorithms, and improve in-camera processing for both stills and video. This would be a major leap in performance, especially for dynamic subjects that require fast and accurate autofocus. Speaking of autofocus, Leica could finally be catching up with its competitors. The Q series has traditionally relied on contrast detection autofocus. While it worked well, it often lagged behind the hybrid phase detection systems found in other premium cameras. The Leica Q4 is rumored to feature a hybrid autofocus system, combining both contrast and phase detection. This would significantly improve tracking speed and accuracy, making the Q4 an excellent choice for fast-paced street photography, action shots, and even sports photography. Another highly anticipated upgrade is in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Leica has always been a purist brand, sticking to traditional designs, but the Q4 could change that by introducing 5-axis IBIS. This would allow for smoother handheld shooting, especially in low-light conditions, and improve video stabilization, which has been a sore spot for previous Q models. With the inclusion of IBIS, the Q4 would be far more versatile, especially for vloggers or filmmakers who want the iconic Leica look in their video work. The lens on the Leica Q4 is expected to remain the beloved 28mm f1.7 ASPH Summilux lens, a hallmark of the Q series. However, Leica could introduce new optical coatings to enhance the lens's micro-contrast and flare reduction, elevating its already exceptional image quality. While the fixed lens design will likely stay, there's still hope for those craving more focal length. Leica may release a companion model with a longer lens, or even introduce a new variant in the Q series for photographers who prefer different focal lengths. Video capabilities are expected to see a significant boost in the Leica Q4. For the first time, Leica may offer 8K video recording at 24 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS, allowing hybrid shooters to create stunning content with the iconic Leica aesthetic. A Leica log profile would enhance post-production flexibility, making the Q4 a solid option for filmmakers who want top-tier video quality in a compact form. The viewfinder could also undergo a major upgrade. The Leica Q4 is rumored to feature a 6 million dot OLED EVF with faster refresh rates and lower latency, putting it on par with high-end mirrorless cameras. This would significantly improve the shooting experience, especially in dynamic environments. Another exciting feature could be the fully articulating 3.5-inch touchscreen, which would give photographers and videographers more creative freedom for unusual angles, self-portraits, or vlogging. With the addition of Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, and even an HDMI output, the Leica Q4 would be one of the most connected compact cameras, ensuring faster data transfer and better integration with external devices. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade of all is the addition of 1 TB SSD internal storage, an innovation borrowed from the M11. This would make the Q4 perfect for professionals on the go, offering massive storage capacity and dual SD card slots for backup flexibility. Battery life, which has often been a weak point in compact cameras, is rumored to improve significantly with the Q4. Thanks to a new lithium-ion battery design, it could offer up to 600 shots per charge, nearly double that of the Q3. With all these impressive upgrades, the Leica Q4 will come with a price tag to match. If the rumors are true, the Q4 could cost between $6,500 and $7,500, with special editions or titanium versions potentially pushing the price above $8,000. While many of these rumors are exciting, there's still the possibility that Leica could surprise us with unexpected innovations. Will we see features that push the boundaries of computational photography or even introduce variable aperture lenses? The Leica Q4 promises to be more than just a technical upgrade. It could be a camera that sets new standards in the luxury, compact market. So, what are your thoughts? Are you excited for the Leica Q4? Do you think it will be your next camera? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the latest in photography and tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.